Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create your Goodreads account. So let's get started. So first search for Goodreads on Google. Alright, so here you can see the website. All you have to do is click over here. Alright, so on the right hand side you can see the various options. You can continue with Amazon or Apple or Facebook, or you can sign up with email. So I'm just going to sign up with email, and over here you have to fill in your details. I'm just going to do that. So after you have filled all the details, all you have to do is click on create account. So here it is asking for OTP for email verification. So let's head on to our Gmail. Alright, so this is our OTP. All you have to do is copy this OTP on your email and paste it over here. Now the last step is to click on create account. Alright, so I'm just going to skip this step, and here you can set your reading goals. So I'm just going to click over here, and you can just choose your genre and then click on continue. And there you go. That is how you can create your Goodreads account. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.